Hey everyone, Naveen Kumar here, and today we're diving headfirst into the world of the Moto Edge 50 Fusion. This phone has been generating some buzz for its budget-friendly price and interesting features. But is it all hype, or is it a genuine fusion of fun? Let's crack open the box and find out. First impressions, a mid-range mystery. Alright, first things first. The box itself is pretty standard Motorola fair clean minimal design with the Moto logo front and center. Opening it up, we're greeted by the phone itself, nestled snugly in its protective packaging. The phone feels surprisingly hefty in hand. It's got a plastic back, which some might find a bit cheap compared to glass backs on some flagship phones. But hey, it keeps the price point down and it doesn't feel flimsy by any means. Display, big and bold, but not the sharpest tool in the shed. Flipping the phone over, we have a big bold 6.7-inch POLED display. It's definitely a plus for watching videos or gaming. However, the resolution isn't quite top of the line. It's full HD+, which isn't bad, but some competitors in this price range offer sharper QHD+ displays. Under the hood, a capable contender. Alright, let's pop the hood, metaphorically speaking, and see what's powering this beast. The Moto Edge 50 Fusion packs a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 processor. Now, it's not the absolute latest and greatest, but it's still a capable chip that can handle everyday tasks and even some lighter gaming without breaking a sweat. The camera carousel, a mixed bag of results. One of the main selling points of the Edge 50 Fusion is its triple camera system on the back. We've got a 50MP main sensor, a 13MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 2MP macro sensor. In good lighting conditions, the photos are decent. They're detailed enough for social media sharing, but they might not win any photography awards. Low light performance is a bit of a struggle, with some noticeable noise and blur. The ultra-wide sensor captures some decent landscape shots, but the macro sensor feels a bit gimmicky. It's good for capturing extreme close-up detail, but how often do you really need that feature? Battery life and charging, a marathon runner, not a sprinter. One area where the Moto Edge 50 Fusion shines is battery life. The 5500 mAh battery is a monster and can easily get you through a full day of use on a single charge. Plus, the phone supports 68W fast charging, which is a nice bonus for those times you need a quick power-up. The verdict, a budget-friendly fusion, but not without flaws. Alright, so is the Moto Edge 50 Fusion the ultimate fusion of fun? Honestly, it depends on your priorities. Here's the breakdown. Love big screens and long battery life? This phone is a winner. Need a camera that excels in all lighting conditions? You might want to look elsewhere. Budget conscious and okay with a mid-range processor? This phone offers great value for money. Ultimately, the Moto Edge 50 Fusion is a solid mid-range option. It's got some great features like the big display and amazing battery life, but it does have some compromises like the camera system and the display resolution. So what do you think? Is the Moto Edge 50 Fusion a phone you'd consider? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech adventures.